Many people have become multimillionaires thanks to Shiba Inus since they first came out on the market, with most of these fortunes being made in 2021. It's getting scary to think about how many new millionaires will be made in the third quarter of 2023. It makes sense that you would be interested. Watch the rest of the video to find out. Welcome to Wealthy Coin, where you can get your daily dose of Shiba. If you want to know more about Shiba, this is the place for you. Sign up if you want to know about all the latest crypto news and predictions and stay ahead of the curve in the industry. Click the like button to get more Shib stories. All three tokens can now be used on Visa cards, which is a big step forward for the Shiba Inu community. There is now a way to buy Shib with a virtual prepaid debit card from FCF Pay, which is one of the biggest blockchain payment systems in the crypto market. Bone and a leash. It is possible to put up to $5,000 on the cards without showing any kind of ID. It's not often that you can buy all three Shiba Inu tokens at the same time. Thank goodness, Bone handled the sudden change well. To be honest, Bone's good result is probably due to more than just this listing. One more thing that probably helps is that the release of Shibarium seems to be coming up soon. As an example, Bone is one of the 10 most bought cryptocurrencies right now among the top 100 Ethereum whales. It came as a surprise that Bone is one of the most bought tokens right now, as well as the description. Shib, the main Shiba Inu symbol, often shows up here. People with a lot of money are ready to buy as many Bone tokens as they can. This is not a surprise, since the token is important and gives its owners power in Shibarium. But whales are still very interested in Shib. Just in case you were wondering, Shib is the most commonly traded token on Ethereum right now and the biggest cryptocurrency by value. A recent Twitter poll gives us some interesting information about Shib deals. People who read Benzinga were asked if they would rather buy a Shiba Inu for $1,000 or Dogecoin. You are welcome to guess in the comments what you think the poll result will be before I say it. Too bad. Most of the $1,000 was put into Dogecoin. In the end, Shiba Inus won by 61.7% to 38.3%. It's not clear what this means for Shiba Inus. Without giving it any meaning, it's not important. Remember that poll results don't always show what really happened. The number of people who own Shib has been going up in the real world, and as I said before, whales usually buy Shib. Now you know. On the other hand, the poll results might be a good reflection of what most people want. I'm interested in what you think. Should the results of the poll worry us? Then, a famous American investor named Michael Burry posted something that made everyone in the cryptocurrency business think, and some of them are even a little scared. It's pretty strange that the message was only one word: sell. But there was a high cost to the chaos. Now that you know what it means, you can probably guess how excited the crypto community is about this news. After all, it looks like a well-known investor is telling other investors to sell their cryptocurrency stocks. I'm not sure if this is exactly what he meant, but it looks like it is. Burry is known for making risky financial choices, but most of the time his chances have paid off. This is why his post has caused a lot of worry. You say that Burry, who started the hedge fund, signed papers in 2000, was known for taking an unusual approach to the stock market. The investor thought that prices were wrong in the market and was ready to make a big bet against what most people thought. Burry has moved out of the press, but he is still in charge of investments and money. Many people still think of him as one of the most interesting and mysterious people in business. It looks like a lot of people are worried. What's even scarier is that he deleted his Twitter account not long after writing the message. It's normal for people to feel worried after everything that has happened. When it comes to trading in general, Burry seems to know what he's talking about. But how accurate are his predictions about cryptocurrencies? Put your thoughts in the place given below. As a side note, did you know that some very wealthy people are considering purchasing cryptocurrency? An asset management company called Devere Group found that 80% of rich people who don't already own cryptocurrency are thinking about buying it. Even if this is true. Also, the buyers now have the millions of dollars they invested. Rich people around the world aren't just thinking about this. They've already talked to their financial managers about this to make sure it's the right thing to do. These men are now very wealthy, and they don't want the story to change when digital currencies become the rule. Do you also think this is interesting? There must be something to the crypto market if people who are said to be good with money are thinking about investing in crypto even though the market is down right now. Please remember that I'm not giving you any tips about money. I also have a question. Does it seem possible that these billionaires are thinking about SHIB as a possible investment? Tell us what you think in the box below. Now David Guckstein, a crypto expert and Shiba Inu fan, is back on Twitter with more of his SHIB thoughts. He seems to be putting a lot of money on the idea that Shiba Inus will come back in a big way soon. He almost certainly meant for the Shiba Inu to come back when he asked his fans if they were still thinking about it or had moved on to other things. Having such faith in Shiba Inus is not the first time he has shown it. You may remember that he told his more than 600,000 Twitter followers that he was going to delete his account when SHIB hit 1 cent. However, this could be something else entirely. It looks like he is expecting something to happen but isn't sure when it will. Please share what you see in all of his tweets if you agree. Recent predictions for the token price in February are very positive about Shib's comeback. Analysts think SHIB will continue to move up because its price did well in January. As long as there are no big setbacks. Since there has been so much time, it's not a surprise that there have been no talks about dropping a zero. Even Shibarium might come out this month, which is another option. In earlier episodes, we talked about the evidence that points in this way. If the game comes out this month, Shibarium's sales numbers might be much better than expected. Last but not least, Rankinu thinks that Bitcoin's market value will reach many trillions of dollars. A busy investing advisor. This finding was made by ARK Invest for the year 2030. Based on what they looked into, it looks like they think that one Bitcoin could be worth up to $1 million in 2030. We'll get into more depth in a moment. For now, if this was helpful, please let us know in the comments and share the video to get the word out. It makes YouTube's system work better, which makes me want to make better videos. For the price of Bitcoin to hit $1 million, the cryptocurrency would have to go through big changes in the next few years. Second, the Shiba Inu community gains when the cryptocurrency market does well as a whole. So, if this prediction comes true and Bitcoin really does hit $1 million per coin in 2030, the price of a Shiba Inu might go up to $1 or even more, which seems impossible. Please keep in mind that I'm not giving you business advice. No, I'm not giving you business advice. But I'd like to hear what you think. How likely is it that Bitcoin will reach $1 million and SHIT will reach $1 by 2030? Today is over. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Spread the word and subscribe.